Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Ferrari Enzo, a hypercar that redefines what it means to blend tradition with cutting-edge innovation. The new Enzo isn't just a tribute to the legendary model from the early 2000s, it's a bold step into the future with unmistakable Ferrari DNA. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Enzo has a design that immediately grabs attention. Ferrari has opted for an aggressive aerodynamic shape, complete with active aero components that adjust based on speed and driving conditions. The sleek low-slung stance, sculpted carbon fiber bodywork, and signature Ferrari curves give the Enzo a commanding presence. The front fascia is sharp and purposeful, housing ultra-slim laser headlights, large air intakes, and a new interpretation of Ferrari's classic nose. Around the rear, you'll find an active rear wing, a fully redesigned diffuser, and a design that nods to Ferrari's racing heritage. Moving to the interior, Ferrari has kept things minimalist but luxurious. Every inch of the cabin is crafted with precision, combining high-end materials like Alcantara, leather, and exposed carbon fiber. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, a heads-up display, and a compact Formula One-inspired steering wheel with integrated controls. The seats are lightweight yet supportive, designed for both comfort and high-performance driving. There's very little clutter, everything is intentional and built around the driving experience. Despite being a hardcore hypercar, the Enzo offers some creature comforts like dual-zone climate control and an advanced infotainment system, though those are clearly secondary to the thrill of the drive. Under the hood, the 2026 Enzo features Ferrari's most powerful hybrid V12 powertrain to date. This beast combines a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine with an electric motor system, producing a jaw-dropping 1,100 horsepower. The result is a 0 to 60 time of just 2.3 seconds and a top speed north of 230 miles per hour. The hybrid system doesn't just add power, it also enhances torque delivery and improves overall efficiency, giving the Enzo an edge both on the track and on the road. Handling is razor-sharp thanks to an advanced suspension system, rear-wheel steering, and Ferrari's latest traction control technologies. As for pricing, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2026 Ferrari Enzo starts at around $3.5 million, and only a limited number will be produced. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a collector's dream, and a performance icon reborn for a new era.